Oryx. Sabi ko, ini impala. It's not impala, daddy, no? Oryx.
Anak ko, diyan mo sila. Kaya na nila. Hot palas.
Hot palas. Hot cafe.
Sa Japan.
Alak ka. Ayan yung zebra.
Sige, ako mamaya. Pauwi na karoon. Ang diyan ko palapit eh.
It's not a donkey. Sana nagbaon tayo rin.
May pakanan.
Laki. Taba. Let's go there. Gusto mo pa picture dyan? Diyan ka. Kuray mo. Ha? Magpakain ka. Ayan o, nagpapakain sila.
Saan? Makuring tayo.
Asa? Yes! Cats! Cats! Grabe na yung mga cats na to. Nalaro talaga sila. Ha? Let's go.
Bang pasirnya pa no.
Asin na pa ng patar eh. Bawo.
Grabe mga cats. That is the cat areas. Kakain. Ano yan, daddy? Ayun o. Ayun o. Quail. Parang quail. That is goat. Goat. Ayun o. Ano yun? Ducks oh. Ayan o. Ang dami nila oh. Hi! Grabe naman po. Look at that. It's a deer. Is that a deer? Is that a Bambi? Is that a Bambi? Daddy? Is that a Bambi? So we're going to strawberry picking. Ayun guys, nakita yung mga animals doon. So ayan, daming pila, strawberry picking. Vegetable and strawberry picking. Later so that we can pick vegetables there. Kasi nag-aantay pa, kailangan mo kasi magbayad para lang makakuha ka ng bag at makapag-picking ka ng vegetables. Okay. Let's go there. People. Let's start na. Wala naman ang strawberry. So, ayan. Go.
Namumulak-lak pala.
Para naubos na yata eh. Ay, ito oh. Ayan na, maliliit pa yan. Maliliit pa. Huwag mo muna pitasin. Ayan oh. Sa baba oh.
Kasi 30 binayad ko dyan. Susulitin natin na.
Ang cute. Andito, oh, ang dami. Oh. Ayan, daddy, oh, sa taas, oh. Ayan, oh. Lalaki, ayan, oh. Nasa taas.
Len!
Andun sa dulo. Hayaan mo siya. Ato na sa, oh, medyo hirap to sa. Ayan, ayan, daddy, oh. Daddy, ayan, oh.
Tigil mo niya yung mga
Go, daddy, go, daddy. Pakita mo naman yung pinitas mo. Enough na kasi pupunta pa tayo dun sa kabila. Baka mamaya puro pipino na. Ito malalaki, oh. This is the first stop, the pipino or the cucumber. Just only pick. Nasa taas. Ay, malalaki yung sa taas. Ayan, oh. Malalaki sa taas. Ayun, oh. Oo. Hello. Where are you? Wow! Wala mabi. Wow! Oh, tama na na. See? May I see?
Is this the other side?
No. Oh, here.
Yes! This is the other side.
May makuha nyo. Hayaan mo. Hayaan mo na lang.
Hindi na ah.
Oh, enough na nga yan. So, we'll go to the next stop.
विवेक ने क्या लौंडा समथिंग
So, ayan sila. Oh, ano yan? Kamatis. Go to the tomato. Get the green one. Para matagal ang buhay. Go inside.
Go pick some tomato.
Let's go.
Okay. Go na kayo. Earl, alin na Earl, photo op style. Go. Para yung isa.
Para sa diin na. Ace of
Cherry tomato. Dito, kaganin lang ako.
Ayan. Ang daming tomato. We are here at the tomato station. So, ayan. Maganda yung tomato ngayon kasi ano. Yes, go, kuya.
Yako garbage.
Oh, let's go. Oh, hold this pen. Oh, hold this scissor. Oh, oh this one. Oh,
Ako taso na mami.
Salad tomatoes. Let's move on to the next day. Try
Mama is Riden's.
You like that tomato, Kuya Riden?
Are.
You want the small one?
Oh, careful saan ka na.
Oh, saya naman to. Oh, tomato na to. Oh.
Vegetable.
Oh, enough na. Kay karon mabuta na nasa tomato.
Vegetable. Vegetable cooking. We're doing a vegetable cooking.
Ah, look at this. Oh, so nice.
Yes. Oh, wait. Si Dito Earl lang na. It's high up there.
I am a brother.
Kanang tulo Earl. Kana. Unom ganin na niya.
Oh, hayaan mo lang siya dyan. Kain. Gusto mo? Hi.
Later
Oh.
Cherry tomatoes. You're so cute tomato. Ganda na. Tanawa sa taas dara Earl. Yes. Oh, what about Kuya Riden? Have you picked one, Kuya Riden? Come on.
This is so nice.
Come on, baby boy. Tita, hold Estelle, tita. Come here, Kuya. Pick the big ones. The big ones. Tara, Earl.
It's so cute. Ay, so cute. Sayang. Gusto ko talaga yung pinaka-red.
I want. Mommy, put that torch here. I was knowing you will be there. Mommy, put that torch here.
Oh, diyan kayo, mother. I will take your picture. Thank you. Come on. Ayan guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-pick ng cucumber. What else lang ga? What are gonna pick today? We have cucumber. What else? Tomatoes. What else? Yes. Do you like it?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
So, what's the next? Bell pepper. Okay, let's go to the next station. We're going to pick the bell pepper. So, let's go. Ayan.
I want to hold the bag.
Sa isa ka muna, apat ka mo.
Bell pepper. We go to the bell pepper. Daddy. Oh, go kayong dalawa, Daddy. Bell pepper guys. Kasi ubos na. So dahon na lang. Dahon na lang ang pwede. Oh, kung sarap to. Guys, pagkatapos namin pagkatapos namin mag-pick up ng mga vegetables, ito ang daming taong kumakain sa labas. There's so many people here. Look at the car. Do you want to watch the car over there?
No, I want to go to the playground. Where's the playground?
There, oh, you can go and look at the car. See? Do you want? Go, see? Look at the car. Wow. Look at the car. See? Look at the car. Do you like it? Dito, Earl, you want photos? Dito ka, oh. Nakita. It's a yellow taxi. It's an orange taxi. Look at the van. Alam mo ba yung siguro ito sa mga pelikula ng mga ano? Di ba? Kaya nga eh. Hi, Kieran. Look at that. Do you like that? That? Oh, look at the taxi, oh. It's so nice. Is it a taxi? Yes, it's a bicycle. It's a bicycle. Oh no, look at that. Oh, you want to put the gasoline? Go to the gasoline. There. This one is gasoline. This one. Like that. Oh, try, Query then. Ooh. Super petrol. Okay. It's the park. Hi, Kaya! So, ayan, ang daming food. Ayan, dito kakakain. Bag. Ay, ayan o, gusto mo. Oh, there's a fire, Kuya Raiden. Look at that. Ayun o. Oh, mayroong mga pagkain dito.
Ayun o, meron dun o.
Saan tayo? Ayan, yung mga pagkain dito. Oh, there's a camel ride. There's a bonfire. There's the park. Last time wala to eh. Ayan, ngayon meron na. So, ayan, there's a camel. You can go to ride to the camel. This is their food court, kumbaga. Ayan. So, ayan. Kasi nga gabi na, nung nakaraan, maganda kasi may ilaw pa. Ayan, Daddy, can you take me a picture there? Daddy, here? May tao pala. May tao. May tao, may tao. There's a tao.
May tao na, sana.
Doon oh, ayun oh, ayun oh. Doon.
Count ka din
At yung park kasi.
or sandi. Yawang. Dito banda o, naroon mga tiro. Diri wala niya bra. Ariyo na ako sa akin. Pero may bag. Pero
Kasi yung park nandun. Oh. Ayan. So, ayan. Dahil nag-withdraw na po kami. Ayan. Hi. Pahinga na kami dito kasi kakain na kami. Do you like it? Estelle is eating popcorn. Miss Meridian is eating spiral potato. So, kain muna kami. Paggabi, ang daming lights. Ayan. Mother.